You guys, we're living in a golden age of content creation. There are a million ways to get your message out there, but let me tell you, podcasting is the real freaking deal. It's not just about talking into a microphone, it's about making real connections, building legacy, and exploding your business. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down exactly how podcasting can transform your brand from another face in the crowd to an industry titan. We're talking thought leadership, brand awareness, leads, engagement, the whole 9 yards, and trust me, I'm not just blowing smoke here. This is the stuff I'm obsessed with, the stuff that gets me fired up, so buckle up, grab your notebooks, and get ready to take some serious notes, because by the time we're done here, you'll be ready to launch a podcast that doesn't just get downloads, it builds an empire. You ready? Let's go. Look, everybody wants to be a thought leader, right? But it's not about slapping that title on yourself, it's about earning it. Podcasting gives you the platform to do exactly that. Think about it. You're sharing your knowledge, your insights, your unique perspective with the world consistently. You're not just talking at people, you're having a conversation, building relationships, becoming a trusted source of information. When you put out valuable content week after week, people start to see you as the go-to expert in your space. They trust your opinion, they value your insights, they tell their friends about you. That's how you build real influence, the kind that money can't buy. And here's the thing, it doesn't matter what industry you're in. Whether you're selling software, sneakers, or financial advice, people crave authentic voices, people who aren't afraid to share their knowledge and help others succeed. That's the power of podcasting. You become a magnet for opportunity. People want to collaborate with you. They want to learn from you. They want to do business with you. You're not chasing clients, you're attracting them, because you've established yourself as the freaking authority. So stop waiting for permission to own your expertise. Start sharing your story, your knowledge, your passion through podcasting. It's time to step up and become the voice your industry needs. Let's be real. In today's crowded market, brand awareness is everything. If people don't know you exist, they can't buy from you, right? Podcasting gives you a megaphone to shout your brand from the rooftops, but in a good way, a strategic way. It's about creating content that resonates with your target audience, that speaks directly to their needs, their desires, their pain points. It's about telling your brand story in a way that's engaging, authentic, and unforgettable. Every time someone listens to your podcast, they're spending 30 minutes, an hour, maybe even more immersed in your world. They're getting to know you, your values, your mission. They're connecting with your brand on a deeper level than any banner ad or social media post could ever achieve. And the best part is, podcasting is shareable. Your listeners become your advocates, spreading the word to their friends, family, and followers. It's word-of-mouth marketing on steroids. So, what are you waiting for? Start brainstorming podcast topics that align with your brand, your values, and your target audience. Get creative, have fun with it, and don't be afraid to experiment. Chapter 3. Turn listeners into leads. The podcasting sales funnel. Look, I love a good sales pitch as much as the next entrepreneur, but here's the thing. Podcasting isn't about hard selling. It's about building relationships, providing value, and letting your audience get to know, like, and trust you. Think of your podcast as a magnet, drawing in your ideal customers. You're not chasing them down, you're creating a space where they want to be, where they feel heard, understood, and valued. And when you consistently deliver high-quality content that solves their problems and answers their questions, that's when the magic happens. People start to see you as a trusted advisor, an expert they can rely on. They're primed and ready to hear about your products or services because you've already earned their attention and their trust. Don't be afraid to subtly weave in your offerings, mention case studies, share customer testimonials, but always lead with value. Give, and then give some more. Chapter 4. Ditch the facade, get real, and get personal with your audience. In a world of perfectly curated social media feeds, people are craving authenticity. They want to connect with real people, not brands. Podcasting gives you the opportunity to tear down those walls and show your audience the real you. Share your story, your struggles, your triumphs. Be vulnerable, be relatable, be human. People connect with people, not logos or slogans. Let your personality shine through, let your guard down, and don't be afraid to get a little personal. When you open up and share your journey, you create a deeper connection with your listeners. They see you as more than just a business owner. They see you as a person they can relate to, someone they can trust, and that trust, that's priceless. It's the foundation of any strong relationship, and it's what will keep your listeners coming back for more, episode after episode. So ditch the corporate jargon, the salesy language, and the perfectly polished facade. Be yourself, be real, and watch as your podcast becomes a magnet for loyal listeners and raving fans. Chapter 5, From Downloads to Dollars, Turning Podcast Traffic into Business Gold. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, ROI. You're pouring your heart and soul into this podcast, so how do you measure its success and make sure it's actually moving the needle for your business? One word, traffic. Your podcast is a powerful driver of traffic to your website, your landing pages, your online store, you name it. Every episode is an opportunity to direct listeners to your online assets, where they can learn more about your products or services, download a lead magnet, or make a purchase. Don't be shy about including clear calls to action in your episodes. Tell your listeners exactly what you want them to do next. Visit your website, sign up for your email list, check out your latest blog post. Make it easy for them to take the next step. And here's a pro tip: track everything. Use unique URLs, track downloads, monitor website traffic, and analyze your data. This will give you valuable insights into what's working, what's not, and how you can optimize your podcasting strategy for maximum impact. Outro: start your podcasting journey today. There you have it, my friends. The blueprint for using podcasting to take your business to the next level. Remember, this isn't some magic bullet, it's about consistent effort, killer content, and genuine connection. But if you're willing to put in the work to show up consistently and provide real value to your audience, the sky's the limit. Podcasting has the power to transform your brand, your business, and your life. Trust me, I've seen it happen time and time again. So what are you waiting for? Start small, experiment, have fun, and watch as your business reaps the rewards. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing insights like these. We're in this together.